This is a view of Lazy River. I want to take you in and give you a little sneak peek of seeing here. It's a living room. And right off the living room is the master. King size bed, full shower, full bath, got a closet in there, a shower stall with a little seat. Here we have the half bath and the kitchen. What a beautiful view. Here we have the guest room, a queen size bed with a full bath, shower, toiletries, and the sink, and right here in the kitchen we have a washer and dryer for use with some supplies, some beach items, trash.